Good afternoon, my dear student. So, in today's class, we'll be having a new lesson, that is lesson number 17, clothes. Clothes is our necessity. So, I hope every students are having their textbook in their hand. Please open page number 82, lesson number 17, clothes. Clothes are necessity. As you all can see in the picture, there are n number of clothes. Can you tell? Observe the pictures given below carefully. Choose the clothes you would like to have and circle them. Now list the clothes in this picture. Which clothes are you using in your daily wear? So girls can use, circle the frock, skirt, all those things. You can circle all those things. And boys, t-shirt, pants, trousers, you can circle this. Which clothes do you like? Have a pencil in your hand and do this activity. I hope everyone have circled their favorite clothes in the picture. Okay, coming to the next page, page number 83. In the box, write the total number of clothes you selected. Now you have to write the number of clothes that you selected in the first page. If you have selected 5 clothes, you have to write in the box 5. If girls have selected 1 cloth, you have to write 1 in the box. Okay, so how many have you written in the box? Girls, you can write your choices of clothes. Okay, next, does the number of clothes you have chosen tally with that of your friends? This question you have to discuss with your friends. You call your friends, or if you are nearby to your friends, you can just have a talk with them. Which clothes you have chosen, which is your favorite cloth, and what is the number that you have chosen. Just you ask your friends and tally your number that you have chosen in the textbook. Okay, so next, coming to the next question. On which days will you wear the clothes you have chosen? Now the number of clothes you have chosen, the first clothes, when do you wear that cloth? Like if you wear a heavy dress, when do you wear that heavy dress? Nice, pretty heavy dress. When do occasionally you will wear for marriages, party, on birthday, you will wear that nice clothes, isn't it, students? Okay, so just question yourself and answer this. On which days you will wear the clothes you have chosen? Second question. How many times in a day will you change your clothes? Now this you have to answer me. How many times in a day will you change your clothes? In the morning, if you take bath, you'll change your clothes. You'll wear a home dress, because at night you'll be wearing your night dress. So you'll change that night dress, and obviously after brushing and after having a bath, you will wear a home dress. Okay, if you're going to school, then you wear a uniform. Then if you're going to anywhere, your friend's house, family's house, you wear one more new clothes. Okay, so next, do you think you should have other clothes besides the ones you have chosen? If so, write how many in the box. Okay, well, we need other clothes too, because we participate in all other activities. We go for friends' house, we go for marriages, parties, temples, schools and all. So different places will wear different clothes. So as per the religious or as per the functions, we'll be wearing the clothes. So we have to have different types of clothes at home, so that we can wear that clothes accordingly to our needs and necessities. Okay, coming to the next question. Apart from the clothes, which other things would you like to wear? Apart from the regular clothes like tops, kurtas, skirts and all, you like to wear some western dresses like shorts and all. So are you interested to wear that clothes, western clothes? Do your family member allow you to wear certain dresses? You have to discuss this question with your parents. Okay, next, coming to the next question. Will you lend your clothes to your friends? In an occasion, if casually, if your friend asks, I need a dress from you to wear for your party, will you lend her your dress? Yes, you will lend, because you'll ask your permission from your parents, then you will lend your friend with certain rules and regulation, isn't it, students? Okay, coming to the next. Which clothes that you see in the advertisement would you like to wear? Abhi, in the page number 82, they have given a list of clothes. varieties of clothes. In this, which one you have selected? Which was your favorite cloth that you thought that you will wear for a certain functions, for a birthday party or for a family occasions? Which is that cloth you have chosen? Which is your favorite cloth? That you have to tick in your textbook, page number 82. Okay, next, concluding with that paragraph, we like to wear many different types of clothes and we wish to own them as well. Okay, next, try this. Visit people in your surroundings. You often take shelter to places like railway or bus stations, bricks, open grounds, etc. Discuss the following points with them and make a note. Okay, first question, what is the total number of clothes they have? Now, lower than those who work in a public places like in a railway station, bus stops and all, just like some people will be sitting nearby the temple and all, where they are very poor. They cannot they are not afford to buy more clothes like us. They'll be wearing the same clothes. So just ask, this is a just to take a initiative of this. How many clothes do you have? You have to just discuss with them what is the total number of clothes they have. Okay, and the second question is, what do they wear in the summer? As we wear in summer light clothes, cotton clothes, according to the season wise we'll change our clothes. But those who are working in railway station, bus stop and small places, those who are migrated from other places, what do they wear? Do they change their clothes seasonally? Ask them. Do they change their clothes seasonally? As according to us, at summer we'll wear cotton clothes because it is very hot. On rainy season we'll wear little bit of woolen clothes, and on winter season we wear sweater, muffler, all those things. We have, according to the season, we have different types of dresses at home. So accordingly, in that type we'll wear the dress. So ask those people, those do not have dresses. Okay. The second, what kind of clothes do they wear in winter? Now ask them, what do they wear in winter? In winter we wear woolen clothes. I mean woolen clothes, muffler, sweater and also. Do they have winter clothes? Ask them, do you know them? According to the winter we have to wear these clothes. Just discuss these questions with them. The last question, what clothes do they use during monsoon season? Monsoon season means rainy season. So in rainy season, do you have a raincoat or umbrella to use accordingly, or what type of clothes do you wear? Just ask these questions with them. Okay students, coming to the next, what do they wear to the functions and the festives? In festival time we'll wear traditional dresses. Do they wear the traditional dresses? We have n number of traditional dresses. According to the festival we wear traditional dresses. So ask them what they are going to wear according to their tribes and rituals, what they are going to wear. Lastly, how many times in a day do they change their clothes? I hope they only changes one time a day. From morning to night they will be working in their workstation, so they do not have any time to change their clothes. But still you discuss them, or if you cannot discuss with them, at least take a talk with your friend, all these questions. Okay students, so next, asking all these questions, just realize yourself, what did you realize from the activity above? What did you gain from asking these questions? Okay, so that's all for today's class. In the next class I'll be continuing the next page. Keep reading your textbooks. Have a nice day. Thank you.